Tadi adik-adik luar biasa, bahasa Inggrisnya mantap banget. Jadi kami sangat bangga dengan adik-adik sekalian. Ya dalam lomba seperti ini melihat bahwa ternyata Depok tuh banyak orang-orang pintar, dari mulai anak kecil sampai orang-orang gede.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The people of Indonesia, I have come to bring bad news. The country of Japan in Tokyo has been nuclear bombed once again by North Korea. It happened this morning. Do you believe me? I don't hear it now. So, you people believe me that Japan was just nuked. I don't hear it now, so yeah, I guess you guys do. Well, that is why we need critical thinking. Because when you hear information coming from my mouth, you need to first verify it with a trusted source. Because believe it or not, I am not a trusted source. Well, to start things off, good morning everybody. And it's just so nice to see all of you again. Because it's the finals, and we have put so much effort and hard work into this, and we should really be grateful that we're even here today. My name is Rafa Zandarendra, and I've been studying at State Senior High School number 8 of Depok for around 3 years, which I guess makes me a senior, but it doesn't make me a senior. I need to be Spanish first. Okay, that was a bit sorry. Basically, I just wanted to say that there is this great specter that is currently haunting Indonesian society. It's in our houses, it's in our devices, it's affecting our parents, our children. It is the specter of communism. Wait, no. It is the specter of lies, hoaxes, disinformation, and propaganda. But there is a common cure for all of these ailments. It is so easy, my friends. Actually, it is called critical thinking. And sadly, it is sorely lacked in Indonesian society today. I want to share with you a quote from the great author Aldous Huxley. He wrote the book Brave New World, which was the Kickstarter of dystopian novels. He said, human beings have an almost infinite capacity to take things for granted. This quote means that we as human beings want to take things for granted. We as human beings want to take things as they are, to be in blissful ignorance. But we should break that cycle. Why? Because we should see the world for what it is, and we should research everything and find the truth ourselves. We should ask questions, we should think critically, and we should see different perspectives, because that is our duty as students. Let me put up an example. When we see that we are students of Indonesia, we must remember that we are leaders too. So that is why we must critically think, because we are examples to our own generation and also our future generation, which is already born, Generation Alpha. We must remember that if we do not follow our sacred duty to think critically, Indonesia itself is in danger. When we fulfill our duty to think critically, we see that we will get a safe society that is critically thinking, that believes in God, and that thinks for itself, and is developed, and is independent. But when we see that Indonesia doesn't follow critical thinking, it will make us divided. There will no longer be Indonesia. There will no longer be unity and diversity. There will be chaos and division. And that is my message to you all today. I want you all to remember that critical thinking is not just for ourselves, but for our communities and for our society. Thank you all for listening to my speech today. I hope it's very helpful for you all, and I hope you all are rooting for me the same as I am rooting for all of you to win this competition. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.